Hi friends, welcome to your channel. Today we are going to unbox this new vehicle air purifier and a small charge adapter. The box is quite damaged when I receive it. So here is some specification. Negative concentration anion, 3 to 10 ppm, ozone. So let's open it and check. As you can see, the box is quite damaged. So you get nothing in the box, only this. This is the air purifier, and this is 3 USB port. Let's just plug in and check. So it's light up. So this is all for this unboxing. Thank you for watching, friend. Please subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.